Ishawna.
Yes, Sidem. What the fuck? Addy.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey, what up guys? Keep it real, Andrae. Just check out the next video that I'm about to show right now, alright? Check it out.
Call your supervisor.
All right, go for it. Exit the vehicle now. Exit the vehicle. Show me your hands.
Here. I'm here. What is your reason, sir?
Step out.
What is your reason?
Step out now. All right. Get on the ground.
Don't.
Get on the ground. Stop fighting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Hey, what's up guys? We don't want to watch no more of that bullshit, but what can I conclude and say? The one that did the initial stop, he must be fired immediately, charged, and sent behind bars to do some time. The one that smacked him in the face initially, like before he came out the vehicle, he need to be charged as well. And all the other guys then that stand around and help in this arrest and see what was going on and do nothing need to be suspended without pay and go back in some training, because this is not the way to do proper policing. All right, I'm out. It's about keep it real, Andrae. Take care. And big up all the good police out there that's doing their job and doing it right. Okay, teach and treat people with dignity. I'm out.